Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I am actually here with my second ever double unboxing and my first ever Manolo Blahnik unboxing. I have been asked in the past, when are you ever going to do Manolos? When are you going to do Manolos? But I just never had the opportunity to find them at one, a price I felt like I should pay, and two, this double unboxing was made possible by one of my subscribers, someone who I now consider a friend of mine, Harry. He was so generous, and he purchased and sent to my P.O. box the more expensive of the two of these, to put it in a very mild way. So I don't know how to express my thanks other than just by showing my gratitude, which is what I'm trying to do now. So there is still a little bit more to a story as to why I wanted these shoes. I mean, I know with the pair of Hangisis I'll get to, they've been around since I think 2008 when the Sex and the City movie came out. And everyone in their videos always talks about it. I'm not going to really go on about that because, quite frankly, it's old, it's overdone, and I don't care. I do, however, care about the Manolo Blahnik. Ooh, if you could see the name on the shoes, because I know my lighting kind of sucks and doesn't want to pick it up. I did care about finding... Well, I cared about finding the BB pumps for two reasons. One, I saw House of Gucci, and in that movie, Lady Gaga, who was playing Patrizia Gucci, half lived in them. And I thought they looked beautiful on her, and I thought, well, now I gotta get them. Have to. They're a very, very, very simple pump, and they are 105 millimeters. They don't look like 105 millimeters, but they are. It's just the design of the shoe. It kind of cuts off the height. But one thing I noticed is this is a skinny stiletto. I mean, I might have to compare it to a Louboutin just to show off how skinny it is, because I'm so used to hearing about how comfortable Manolos are that I would imagine that there's a lot of stability in the heel, and this little teensy thing, which is thinner than my finger, and I've got teeny little hands, I'm kind of petite, these don't look very stable, so these I am very interested in trying out and wearing, because one, they're my first pair of Napa leather shoes, which I'm a little bit worried about because I know that this is so buttery and soft and it's very easily damaged. But two, I've never worn Manolos before. These have definitely been worn because if you guys know me, I love my outlets. And these shoes, turns out, you know how in the department stores they have like one shoe on display and they usually tuck away the other one? Well, this one was on display and this one everyone and their mother was trying on. Me? I didn't care. I just thought, $400 is better than the $600-700 you're going to pay for a pair of Manolo Blahnik BB pumps. So that's what I did. And just because, like in my last video I mentioned, I'm a bit of a completionist. And in my very early videos I talked about how I'm a dust bag nut. And both pairs I got 2 dust bags. So very happy about that. But to go on about being a completionist, you're going to get to see the second one just because you can. And you deserve it, because why not? Obviously looks exactly the same as the other one. This one, oddly enough, was the one that was never worn, yet has more damage. There is a slight bit of damage. It's not going to pick up on camera, but there's a super slight bit of damage to the leather. And yeah, I'm a little bit nitpicky, but I also did not pay full price. So I'm not going to worry about it that much. But yep, my first pair of Manolos, and they're very simple. They look very easy to wear. They look very easy to break in, which is so nice for me, who I'm always breaking in a pair of Louboutins no matter what. And your feet do get fat from it. So it's nice to have a pair of shoes that I could just wear the day after trying to break in a pair of like Socates. Just like my new pair that I got that I haven't worn yet because I plan on filming it for you guys. But I already know breaking those in, whew, that's going to be fun. Now on to the next pair. This pair of shoes, I know everyone on YouTube who's ever done a shoe video has done it. But you know what? I'm a shoe collector. I needed them. And Harry and all of his wonderful generosity made that happen. Like, this would not have been possible without him. I owe him 1,001 thank yous. I really do. And 2 dust bags, because I'm a dust bag nut. And these are brand spanking new. These are not resale. He did not find them on sale. These are brand spanking new, never worn. I mean, hello. I know that in prior videos I've said I don't typically go for a lot of bling. With my Jimmy Choo Bing videos, I did show that I will tolerate a little bit of bling. And they're bling. Like, they are very out there. And I would wear these with jeans and a t-shirt. I mean, you want to elevate an outfit, you just want to dress up to dress up, these are your shoes. So I'm just going to tear them out with a little plastic thingy and get the paper out of them, because they deserve to be shown off in all their glory, not in plastic and paper. Something else I noticed about these, after examining the BB pumps, I'm doing a slight bit of a comparison. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the heel on the Hangisi looks like it's going to be more stable than the heel on the BB pump. And I also like the little tiny detail. It's super tiny detail. I'm not sure if the camera's going to get it or not. I don't know if I should do this, but there's like this little silver ring that it just, I don't know, it makes the shoe look more secure, more detailed. I don't know, but I'm in love. In my last unboxing, I forgot to mention sizing, because I know people watch these videos for sizing. I have narrow feet. I took the Hangisis in a 35.5, and they fit beautifully. I had the chance to try them on before, so I knew exactly what size I was going for. With the BB pumps, they were a little bit of a different story, because one, I found them at an outlet, so I didn't exactly get to try on different sizes. And 2, they had them in a 36. I figured good enough, let me try them on, and they fit beautifully, and I said, mine! So, I went and I bought them. So, if you have narrow feet, I'd recommend, if you're looking for BB pumps, get them in a... If you have narrow feet, get them in your truest size for the BB pumps. If you have narrow feet and you're looking for Hangisis, go down a half a size. If you've got average feet, true to size in these, and go up a half size in the BB pumps. If you have wider feet, you might want to go up a half size in these and a full size in the BB pumps. So I thought I'd throw that info out there. But I will go ahead and I'll throw these on for you, because I'm so excited. I mean, I know they're not like the sexiest shoe, but you know what? They're mine and they're beautiful, and I'm going to be the one wearing them, so that's what counts, right? So, thank you again, Harry, and for everyone else who watches me and makes these videos possible, because the revenue that I do get from this channel does help. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so grateful for all of you, especially you, Harry, right now for obvious reasons, because wow, I'm very, very grateful. So I'll throw these on for you guys so you can see how they look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys in the next one.